2023, Hamas attacked Israel. Israel called for evacuation of 1.1 million Palestinians in Gaza, at least 27 Americans killed. Israel told the United Nations to evacuate 1.1 million residents in North Gaza within 24 hours in the strongest sign, yet that a ground offensive is imminent. The entire population of Gaza, north of Wadi Gaza, has been ordered to relocate the southern Gaza within the next 24 hours. The Israel military informed the UN security in Gaza before midnight local time. North Korea denies Hamas militants used weapons were used in the terrorist attack on Israel by Hamas, Reuters reported. Washington-based news site Radio Free Asia said earlier this week that a video showed of Hamas fighter using what looked to be a rocket launcher suspected to be manufactured in North Korea. People gather and light candles to show solidarity with Israel and remember the victims following an attack by Hamas gunmen from Gaza at Dizengoff Square in Tel Aviv, Israel, October 12, 2023. Nurse who died with her elderly ward after she refused to leave her even after Hamas militants attacked Israel, has been posted on by some Israelis in a tribute to her courage in the face of death. Identified as Angeline, the Filipina could have escaped but chose to stay by her patient, who was called Nira, by Kibbutz Kfar, according to the post. Esteb Buzgan, Deputy Chief of Mission of the Israel Embassy in Manila, confirmed this without naming the Filipina. In a virtual press conference on Thursday, one of them had the opportunity to run away, but she decided to stay with the grandmother she was looking after. She said Hamas militants' acts of terror were beyond cruelty.